Managing procurement and sourcing very efficiently is critical for any business looking to reduce costs, improve suppliers, a relationship, and streamline operation. That's where SAP Ariba or Ariba, I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm so sorry, comes in. A cloud based platform designed to transform purchasing and sourcing processes. So, in this tutorial, I will show you all about everything how to streamline purchasing and sourcing in SAP. By the end of this video, you will understand this. So before diving into this specific, let's take a look at what SAP Ariba offers. According to their website, SAP Ariba is a comprehensive procurement platform that helps businesses automate purchase order approvals and invoicing process. The second thing is that it will conduct strategic sourcing events like RFQ. Now, what is RFQ? That is a request for quotation, an auction to find the best suppliers. Build stronger relationship with suppliers through collaborations tool and performance tracking. Use real-time analytics to monitor spending, identify cost-saving opportunities, and ensure compliance. Cloud-based solution accessible from anywhere, integrate seamlessly with the ERP system like SAP, S4HANA, and non-SAP system. AI-powered insights to recommend smarter procurement decision. Right now, to get started with the SAP Ariba, you have to come to this official website. Right, just go to Google and search for SAP Ariba, which I can show you here right now. And once you go to this official website, for example, this is it. Click on it. Now here we are. It will take you to the login page sometimes. So this is official page. Now on the top right side corner, you will see this icon. Click on it. Now log in or create an SAP account. So here, if you have your account, then you have to just enter your email address. If you don't have an account, then just go and click on create an SAP account. Now here you have to fill up all this information right now. Now once you go and click on continue, it will ask you to check your email and finalize your sap.com account. So let me check my email right now over my phone. And yeah, I got it. Now I have to verify here. Click to activate your account. Now while verifying your account, it will ask you to create a password. So let me just create my password over my phone. Now I have activated my account. I will just go and refresh this page. Now here again, I will click on here, click on login. Now here it will ask the password to me. So let me log in into my account here. Okay, click on continue. Once you go and click on continue, this is a SAP universal ID. So whatever product you use of SAP, automatically you will able to log in into it. Right, now click on sign in. Once enter the password, right, now automatically it will just take a few seconds. Now here it will ask you to select your interest. So here you can select your interest. Just go and click on it. Automatically it will get refreshed, and here you can select your interest which will add it in your portfolio. Now I have logged in into my account. Now while I don't have a direct access to the platform, here's what this setup process typically involves. So work with SAP Ariba team to access your procurement needs here, right? And once you do this, you have to just go and click on select your interest. Let's say I like AI, B2B, CRM, and click on save and continue. Now depending upon my choices, it will show each and everything. Now SAP Ariba provides guided implementation services to ensure smooth deployment. Now connect SAP Ariba with your existing systems such as ERP or accounting software for seamless data flow. Right, so I can check over each and everything. Now let's go to this product section here. Now here, let's say I'm just looking for the procurements. I will click on request a demo. Now for the request a demo, I have to fill up the same information here, and I can schedule a call. Right, so that is really easy thing to do. And then you can see here one of SAP Ariba core functionalities is streamlining purchasing process. Now here employees submit through their platform detailing items, quantities, and supplies. Your requests are routed through predefined workflows, ensuring proper oversight before purchases are made. Access a centralized supplier network to find and connect with trusted vendors easily. This eliminates bottleneck, reduce manual tasks, and ensure compliance with company policy. SAP Ariba also simplifies strategy sourcing, helping business negotiate better terms and find the right suppliers. Now here you can draft a request for quotation, that is RFQ, and send them to multiple suppliers for competitive bids, right? And conduct reverse auctions to drive down cost and secure the best deal. Compare suppliers for bids side by side to make informed decisions. So this tools empowers businesses to optimize their sourcing strategies and build stronger supplier relationship. Another standout feature of SAP Ariba is ability to manage suppliers effectively. Based on the website, here's what you can expect. Maintain detailed profiles for each suppliers, including contacts, info, performance metric. Monitor suppliers' performance based on delivery times, quality, and compliance. Identify and mitigate risk related to suppliers' financial health, geopolitical factor, or regulatory compliance. So with these tools, businesses can ensure they are working with reliable and high performing supplies. You can also generate insights and analytic, right? So finally, SAP Ariba provides robust report capabilities to help businesses analyze spending trends based on websites. Here, what you can expect. That is a as you can see, real-time data, customizable dashboard, AI-powered recommendations. So this insights empowers businesses to make smarter financial decisions and drive continuous improvement. And that's you have it an overview of how SAP Ariba can streamline purchasing and sourcing for your businesses, whether you're looking to automate process, gain visibility into spending, or drive cost saving. SAP Ariba has a tool to help you succeed. If the video gave you overview general information, then hit the like button and subscribe.